with the same narrator, making statements with the same sentence pattern. So this one's called my daily routine. 我的一天
的一天，我的一天。起床，起床。我8点起床，我8点起床，我8点起床，我8点起床。刷牙，刷牙。我8点10分刷牙，我8点10分刷牙。我8点10分刷牙，我8点10分刷牙。
Okay, so the video goes on. I'm not going to play all of them. Now let's look at a video with funny pictures. Everyone likes funny pictures, so why not?
你的生日是几月几号？几月几号？我的生日是1月6号。1月6号。你的生日是几月几号？几月几号？我的生日是2月3号。2月3号。你的生日是几月几号？几月几号？我的生日是10月14号。
I remember hearing my students screaming when they see those cute little pets. And those cute pictures, really draw their attentions. And so that's this one. I will have this presentation available for to have access to. So take your time and watch them. Okay, so I'm not going to play all of them. So those are some examples of comprehensible embedded videos, which differs from a regular term when you hear the word video, because video can be many different types of videos. What kind of video are you referring to? So this video that I'm referring to is a well-planned video that is targeted for foreign language learners. And there are some features about those kind of videos. The first one is it targets on 1 to 2 sentence patterns. It can come with a question and answer pattern like, what job do you do? I'm a teacher. What job do you do? I'm a lawyer. Those are the question answer pattern. It can be the statement pattern like, 我8点10分起床, get up at 8. 我9点刷牙, I brush my teeth at 9. Those single narrator type. And the second feature is it usually has around 10 sentence examples. And each page usually shows 1 targeted sentence pattern plus 1 clearly illustrating picture. Number 4 of the feature is the voice recording may have a fun beat. Like you said, 我8点10分起床, 我8点10分起床. 你做什么工作? 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 The next feature is the photos are age-related and fun, like the one we see about when's your birthday or what's the weather like today. And the last one is each sentence is repeated purposefully 2 to 3 times. So think about that. If each picture, the sentence is repeated 2 times, and we have 10 different examples. So that's 2 multiply 10, that's 20 times. So in a short video clip, like less than 1 minute or 1 minute long, students listen to 20, 30 times of the same sentence pattern, repeating in their mind. And how could you forget something if you listen to it so many times? And also this thing has a fun beat and has a clear and funny picture that clearly illustrates the meaning of it. You cannot forget about it.